then I be catch them na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Sebia obehu chama mobwa ene ne nkasa.
Mesre no. Mampani wadam se kotoje kura mebu.
Ni nyina wo ho.
What ya say? Onyi chairman free mu mayen. What ya say? Enim say ebi wo ho a there were SSs ene course. Ti say wa bamu a ebekwa akowie. Ebekwa akowie o mampani wedi ekoto srew. Wa no tumu bi. Ema wontumi nko prison. Ekoto srew. Mampani enim say we father for all. But modi ema wontumi nko. Ema wontumi nko. Ekoto srew. Epawcho hwe na kabi mano. Na minim say ode wa no tumu a ebewie ama ye nyina. Mampani wadaroma. Wontumi mobo.
Abusiafo appeal efi for Kwabena Yando ho aba no.
Ani wadam se kotoje kura mebu.
Ni nyina wo ho.
What ya say? Onyi chairman free mu mayen. What ya say? Enim say ebi wo ho a there were SSs ene course. Ti say wa bamu a ebekwa akowie. Ebekwa akowie o mampani wedi ekoto srew. Wa no tumu bi. Ema wontumi nko prison. Ekoto srew. Mampani enim say we father for all. But modi ema wontumi nko. Ema wontumi nko. Ekoto srew. Epawcho hwe na kabi mano. Na minim say ode wa no tumu a ebewie ama ye nyina. Mampani wadaroma. Wontumi mobo.
We have the statement by say the lead counsel and a lawyer, lawyer Tachia. Case being na o leady and our cases in the court in the
Yo, the dika you say case a war court 4. And no na yewura and the appear kubi. Or say why you disappointed. Ye courtroom. If we say or file submission of no case. Submission of no case now no about 3 months in still no a year court register intimi hunu ba bi a case no wo ana omo the case no omo the appeals court and ya so ama submission of no case no e de akoso enti na asem no mu no o sa kire say a year PW1 ono ba bedi adanse no obaye no wo so ohun me da ohun me o TV so but abra judgment eba ene ade no aye no de ohun ye ne se yese obi a ohun me da no onema ya abatement of crime na ye din kai ade
nipa waye no da o si TV so no no
ye de emuaye no ebuaye a ye de baaye no ye bua mefo ansa na ye ba ba bekasa into oni trust ewo eye ensam na ayekoso no mu enti obe withdraw enti ene okoya o de nenkrata de call ho ene ade ye yim kakeka mra ho asem se de mra sitie pepepe enti de de kan me meda na se waso me pa waboa me pa na so obi kase mabre na ye disappointed I was so oti ase
uhunu and ye mutual understanding mu nyina matemo ho ase
oh san waka so can say why disappointed and I think said ne why ye interviews be bra e wo outer wo betimi anya mum bebre aka because nye nyina na me pese me kind of ha say
but how say we lead counsel we free wachi how
oh dear tiene say ana mabona baso say why ade pa mabona baso but dear ni nyina chi no so no ade a metimi susu anya lawyer foforo a Samuel attaching what you say in Hebrew no Samuel ya can Samuel what you say
Hebrew de what
you say attaching ono ana now no yetimi anya no say ono ebeba na waba begyina masem na waba ye nti ya na kasa one also so Agyapong. This is what I can say
right
now.
Critics can't be and facha me pa critics
no can I say
you raise and no
can I
say right from the onset when you lead counsel papa nanke ni kwan say lawyer appear could be any lead you but where you sit sana hu pepe na.
Oh, Apia Kubi is a very good lawyer. He's a very, 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 very good lawyer. Na me wa boa ama mekase me wo hoi na me nyu obi a minimum mramu bebre but me ko ne nchen se oyeye na amasua emra ne niama bebre koso wo courtroom, you know. So Mahuru said there's a law. I was will be an ultimate anti mean to me Cassenti and a baby or what. Mebona basso. Say what to me abuame adru mpempenswa. I was a drew a ye. Na oh boboa boy boy. It's me basse obi nanwa Morocco for a boy. Do share Omni Brazil. Do share Morocco for no. Go no or share Brazil no see a yini film near do be by and to know say at your share go no one yardiana
Why are there
I had the same thing I had the same thing Abrabono say a drew baby what you say a drew baby obi no etimi ekasa. You know law is a professional job. It's for the professionals and that the appear could be is a profession. You know, it's a professional. What you say? Me menka sa you know minimum ra aye. Enti no and the appear could be the profession you know. Also you will save his name and save his integrity. What you say? And he's disappointed. He's disappointed. This is the kind of words or you know. Enti no ebana sa ye pa. Then we bring somebody suswa or also a captain. Or also so ewo ahoden fofora or so edeba Aremeyaw new energy and everybody know about Honorable Samuel Attachia obi anim de obetima ye the capability and the capacity in the law. You know, you when you talk about Attachia you are talking about law. What I say in our Ghana has it. And you know, we bring Attachia, say or no beba na what you may share case air call any idea, you know. Na what the baby emra a one. What I'm looking for is a fair judgment and fair hearing and fair system. I'm looking for. I'm not the fair process. I'm not looking for sympathy from anywhere. What I'm looking for is fairness. This is what I'm looking for. So I brought Attachia, say, Obetumi Ababeshwe, I'm at the fairness. No, I'm an abba. Sometimes, you know, and yet, dear, you see, I can't know bonting. No crowd, you Obi or crowd no one.
Yes.
What I say, inti no Kwaku to yes, Cadia Mobi say, Emra Medinata, no, na Mishram, but Ghana Mrano, a ye in idea. What you say, ye in idea. Until the Meme, you know, a fairness. When the law speaks, say, Emra ne Nemrana Casapa. Minim say, I feel the Onyankopon Kabia will be media flip. So it's the fairness that I'm fighting for. You know, it's the fairness. Until minim say you are touching I will have the fairness of the system. Right. Of the law.
Let me say cases in on the bay lead counsel.
Sesia Menoka say there. A be or Yewura mi nu ho and de yewura ndi no no that's wo CCIA. So we are moving and you know the baby BCB and wada Roma yen so kan e fancy kan e aduaso
right now we say NDC for ni bi kasa say enye no kra adenti o call for plea bargaining say mo say magisika mo nyimusika na etu nkotwere baby etwere wabre ewa man so train no ho ana say dia
you know say Wontumi that be our friend say memra court be ameba. I'm not a lawyer I'm not a lawyer. But a lawyer, or no, na was o two for na what say if you won't cry crown, what you may show so a year pre-bag guinea summer walk near there, and your BBR say a year 2018, and now me call semi percent me year fool. I will a year such ray. And tia fool no, me yes, say, me person me no, lay a commercial farming. Now, commercial farming, so ye commercial farming. There's a lot of risk a womb globally. A year we are farming in a Ghana. One, a bit my issue. Two, bit my pets and more. Three, a bit my markets even price. Some markets, prices are falling. What you say? And a four can be anything. Enti abribe we call me court say company na ye kwakoji loan na ye pese ye kwaji loan na de yafu se de na company bia kwaji loan e de yafu e sabi na ye koye enti omo ma ye de collateral buy and so bank bia no ye free bi term sheet enti omo do term sheet ba say term sheet no one I was say omo farm manager a free Brazil deba. But you know, it depending on type of the crops are ubedria and no you know and the time when I was say inti Brazil omo yes omo ko farba no afi antimi amanesa and omo fa obi o Ghana because na ye a bro any ye dua maize enti adon so no the season no ye bear within 3 months to 4 months enti omo yes omo farm manager ni bi wa ha to omo farm manager ni bi de mai eno achi omo ma say de ayi ama wo mo no collateral de ama wo mo no omo ma ye farm manager no omo asoso na sa ma ye insurance company insurance company no so ebebe hwe ebe insure afuo no ayeye no ene edai say insure to say a ofin na enkran ankobra na enkran what you say oti na enkran but ene amanfo bebre fie say insure to a untimi cross even main road you cannot cross enti ayeye no safo no ene insure yiriye na bebe fire abroni nyina de koye se de nsuo bubu amanfo dan ye no enti natural disaster no mini hu to me say metimi de a stop no any ade ye na sabre de so no se wo hwe 2018 aye Ministry of Agric 34th anniversary omo ye omo my best farmer yes
when your best farmer paying
omo nya first runner best farmer first runner I was such a ana omo de maye
that means na we are fuo no dada
ye fuo no a UTV efo ayiko omo ba ho na ba be hwe ye sabe enye magic say ebi a wo sore ye na ye say Wontumi so ya fuo no there is a process to do the farming what you say ana e ma ne ba say anumu ana aye lawyer Andy say said the darko wo court ba ko court mienu court me yansa no aye yi ni nyina achi no na niema a wuna mu nyina no we say we aye azem de no anka ye betimi ane wo mo no akokot na yaka sem na akopim say ye bewie na ye bewie no so no I know say sabe aye company ana aba aye but so obeti ase a ye wo emra bi wo ho a ye friend
pre bargaining
pre bargaining na no first no na ye omo wo section 35 737 ewo ho but enye no ana me pese me kan ho asem but aye section aye 162 says 162 at 1079 2022 emra bi by say eno no de aye negotiation na o ma drop charges no then you pay the said amount na omo no e de buy no then it become a negotiation for them to aye o lawyer o no de woko eno no akotu ne mra eno no de woko mate ofre me anopa meba ofre me wia meba da bia no mekọ said you see here, you know. Why you want to maintain? I say, hey, what you say? But negotiation doesn't mean guilt.
Okay.
Negotiation doesn't mean guilt. And why he quoted the law, 1 says 2, 1B, no, doesn't mean guilt. It's a negotiation. It's a purely negotiation. And 1079. 1079 at 1079 no LI 2022 no eso so ye no e can clear say omo wo sa mra no say
ka court mra
ho e ka mra ho so it's my mra lawyer no choose say o de be ka asem no sana etie. But I don't say obi edifo na say no that's my make catch the way say you see sabe when na obekọ bank say o say okọ bank no akwakoji sika na enye process aye process
yes
process aye bank na de ma
so obi age
what you say enya wo na wo kọ na so kofa bibi yayi o bank ne de omo hyehyeye de be man na wo what you may follow. So I don't want to go in too much, but this is how the small narrative I think say I can batterize to concrete facts. This is how I think I can say it.
Right, Chamai, facha me. Only say your inactions in politics. Kasa bi awaka, adie bi awaye. Sabi di o twasa no onim se na chiachia obi wo okra no onim se bone na waye no nadwene mu no no wafa no bone ohu ni se wafum obi and wafum obi wo Ghana politics mu a are you ready to apologize?
Why not? Men soon see nipa na men soon see a chaupa and mean so and my chaupa. Now the person can say I'm not a perfect person.
Okay.
Meanwhile would dimachi why suffer or a Roman father. What you say? Majuma me no. Said the obia any human being can make mistakes. It's the same thing Wontumi so. Make my mistake. Ebia wo de na MIA ene amanfo a omudidi atem Syria a friend say dabi insulting people rampantly. Ewo radio, TV and all the social handles in Yanano. Young woman. Bassy a bomb by a bomb abasso. What you say? And a man for the bread, at Timidie, but me want to make cry there. And Yadia, Ube who me say, want to me catch it will be say, see, and I say, no. But Ninachi, me a nipper, yes, me quite sorry, Roman, or say, Miami phone so, Miami phone so, what you say? Mofaso, sometimes said your workano, you can offend somebody, our bra,
what so cry say, yeah.
What I say, and to some me, Wontumi. So I'll catch them some from more. I will apologize. I'm not above that. I'm a human being as you. What I say, now when I say onion from soda, I don't know my use to say, why onion from soda? No,
the kind to first
to a boy fabon, and to let us come. Yan has say, we are before the Lord, the Creator. Ne yan kase, ubiano ayepe. Meme dear, my dear to Muse Menyepe. Meme de menyepe na I'm good for adwuma bia me yet say adwuma bia me yet say MPP adwuma me ye osumu me wobuo you know want to me cry you will be our obechia wo abra wo mu no mu ase. I never done it before obia no me wobuo edema obia oni mu bia no ebe catch you say Wontumi is tough by his very respectful person.
The case is in shaky.
Oh.
Tama.
Yes. But a drew baby na areho kakraba na so enam otwedi ampo Nyankopon wo hye din ti no no amaya hoden foforo.
E to da bia ya ye pe wasem ne yetifi a na yesumam ni ye rahu aguye mo sa cases yenko yemra ye de na fa ha ye de na ko ha ye de na ba woni se Nyankopon betimi akon ama wana
de di kai no me ye nipa te se de obi a ye nipa no na se duru ba bia no kwasem se ya na ya wo hwese dako obi a wanye abanyadwumada na se wa na board bi so wanya appointment bi na emom ye betwe se obekọ court baako obekọ court mienu obekọ court miensa eduru ba bia sebe ye wadofo te se de mo adofo no ye wo eyire ne ma ye wo nanfofo ana ye wo ye party for so a omososo support ye pa but eduru ba bia na areho kakraba na so enam otwedi ampo Nyankopon wo hye ye dinti no no amaya hoden foforo no amaya hoden foforo enti me hunu ne say all the strong people who has very strong voice in politics no da bia no go through pains na enipa ne bi wo ho a so muhunu say obi ko pains mo a na nani age. Some people are comfortable and happy when they see their brothers say they are in pains. Na omani age na then the bibe has say omo chro niema boni afa ne ho omo ka niema ye but yeso so yete say wo mo a but ni nyina achi no say ye hwe enipa no so dodo a omo bom paye de amayen to be sincere enam eniema the trials are me fam yawa me namu court ahodo ne challenges a propagandas ahodo a me fam ye yiniti no amammanfo so a omo dome a omo bom paye pa de maye Onyankopon hire obi bia obom paye de amami pa ana obi akra so a wo twero bibi afa me ho kra so no me hiansesa se Onyankopon beka wakoma na wasesa enti me de sesia me no kasa maye political Joseph bia ekoso ani ade bia ekoso bia no empentamu aten na minim se Onyankopon obeka mame no wadi amame na wadi amame na waka mame na wadi amame na waka mame because the facts and the truth are at that court no untimi nsesa no. And so I have a strong belief in God, so Onyankopon obeka mame. And also I'm a law abiding, I'm somebody who respects the court enti da bia umbefre mi bia so no me kono sede obia no eko pepepe because ye mra ya hyehyɛ de ama ye ho no me mpese mebuso enti ada bia no awose mekɔ ebia sa court de ama me sabi nkobia do de mekɔ ba sa mekɔ no enkyere sɛ sabe emfumsuo bi ana ebia Wontumi ebia maye na me de minim sɛ yebedi asem we no bewie ene ade no ayade a obia do behunu se Onyankopon ena aka asem ade amaye. No long ago aye fifi kote mu ne Ato Forson mu ene Sammy Gyamfi mu nyina no mo koto but ene Sammy Gyamfi mu ba besra ko ye yipa abose na obi edi akire o cha se na eduru ba bia na mehwe it's either to break you or make you. But I have choose the encouragement. Some me who cry. I would dear me, you know, me my way and break me. And tell dear Bia was a me ye. Now loyalty and this sumo I was a me this sum party here, you know. Meguswa ye Jumanwa Kokopim say. Chama Wontumi. A ye grassroots chairman. Omobeboa na mababa ye the national chairman na matimenya dansidie. This one is a history. It's going to be a history. Entimenya dansie na anam sunso mami sua niema bebre de adisua bebre na eba na mehunu se de nipa ankasa kra so esi tie what I say wona wodwen se waye omo papa da na nsem bia omo beka Omo a udwen se duru ba bi kura no omo wo political party mu baako no akwakọ hia nsem bia ombeka dia fa ho ene ade ye you see me se sa nneɛma na me namu no ye ne de me amama disua pa mahunu se asemi nkunu pa me wahunu se awo se chema Wontumi metimi yire me ho na me ye campaign more said the Donald Trump mo said the Nelson Mandela mo ye bas ayimo amanfo bebra omo ye adwumaden ade ma omo party no e shemi nkura say I was say me come back na me ne me grassroots for na kasa
right
na me sorry na me show omo nkura
come on who we say a political say a political a internal and a external ye wo unseen hands be a share chira
me person me this me can a year courtroom issue ewo a year radio and TV me person me can eno ho asem but asem a ekoso nyina no eda obi anim eda Ghana fo enyina anim eda Ghana fo nyina anim eda Ghana fo nyina anim because so fra Accra say o kokumase a ubehu amanfo bebre
yeah
wonam frikumase se so ko sremu a ubehu no wo frikumase se so ko central ubehu but me crowd here anya sa nete but sa na aba no na mmom me kan se ye nyina na yebehu no Nyankopon anim onyamti ana ama sa de we no amena to me I know definitely say the God of Israel, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac and Jacob will me amama coming through. Now say my walk through from these problems. I will come out.
Pressure be
I will come out.
Pressure be da uswana and away with down one.
So pressure be da meswa. Pressure da meswa ne say chama Wontumi. Me ye dwumaden ama MPP atimi aba power election 2028. That is the pressure. The pressure wo ya yini say mehu samrantia ne maba wa o mawie school na omu person ko omunya adwuma ye na omunya adwuma ye enye na omusu no. That is the pressure. So pressure bi wo ho a na ye koko farmers a omu esika ene ade omu se yatete so na omu ra ho wo tia se na so bad ebuo no da so wo baabi e da no ape. So pressure bi wo ho a na eye oman no mu dia eye eno na man ye pressure. So pressure bi wo ho a na ye say 2024 na ye wo power na ye ne ko jemu ede to ho ema ndc for baaye enti so pressure bi wo ho a na eye dwumaden a I say yetimi ye ema ye wura Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia etimi eba back. So pressure bi wo ho a na ye pressure say grassroots for mo disconnected from us no ye be ye rebuilding na ye sa connected to them. Ama mahuru say baby omo wono ani MPP to bring them together for us to win. Say pressure bi wo ho a na ye student a na nadu dan Akufo Addo ni yewura Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia or the free education and the buyer na mom yantimi anya obi a woni wo mo be connect na ye disconnect from wo no. Se pressure bi wo ho a na wo say ye connected to the student why ni anema ye pe no a party ma bebre wo ho a na ye wo power no na wo say yetimi nya yetimi tie wo masem ane ade a ye disconnect ye no. Se pressure bi wo ho a I was said now no yetimi getting back to them. Say ya ye betimi abonde not together we bring MPP back to power. And only the pressure I'm always thinking about when I'm sleeping day and night.
The case is in Shekiwo.
Oh.
Come.
Yes. Now, my pressure is for the MPP to win. It's that for MPP to win. And to be a ACBR no. What you say?
And Shekiwo.
My focus is for the MPP to win. Aya court there. Yenyama judicial. We have good lawyers, you know, to talk. And to say the Yesu ka say, yemfa kaisa de mano, na yemfa Yesu, na so Nyankopon so de mano. Ebia na meka kire say, ye court there. I'm a law abiding. We have the good lawyers. We have the men. So, at any point of time, you know, we will give the lesson to them for them to defend us. But the party work there, I'm somebody who understands the language of the ordinary people. I'm somebody who understands the grassroots voice. I understand they know me and I know them. And see, now, no, they are giving me more energy to lead this party. Say, yeah, 2024, Niema apatu prenen kankawe yeni nyinano. Ye beti me abo hon pre ensum na yade ye wura Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Adina ba be the president. Ama Ghana enso so yatimia Ghana foforo Ayeka ho asem aba ama obi a ho atodo. We ni ade a me hwehwe. We and that is my focus.
Right. One who so rap politics mo.
Me pese me kasetia politics if you say ayo someone baako a yetimi fa so ede som wo man a wuwo mu eyese obekọ wo haw mu ni ade de obi adu betimi akọ wo haw mu sa obekan Job no a Job chapter 1 ene ade ya in Job chapter 2 no a Job ayo obi a okọ wo haw mu ene amane mu but wan hwe amane no wo haw a no wo no amfa nkasa ntie Onyankopon enti me fa wo hawa na samane a mi womu no amfa nkasa ntia eye politics a mi womu efiri se na midi ye na Job nsusu di ye na abra na Onyankopon no ano pe no osa ama Job ehoto no a Job wase na wie ye no beye kese esen na hase enti mecha ma Wontumi me maba wo hai me hyam kom de gumi amabra boso se me ma wie ye beye kese ase ma hase de se de obia sini me ene ade bia no eye kese ena meye I will not give in. I will not say I will not give up. I will do what is necessary and I have a belief in God and I trust God. Say all things will be possible and all things will be beautiful. The life ahead of me is going to be beautiful.
Right. What's that campaign? Court cases and nebra, chanabra, adichebra. How and as I increase your base. I must say, Ukraine would chama Wontumi na page to you.
Politics is not for the comfort people. It's for people who can endure pains and who can also take advantage of the pains. As at now, yani a year pre nyina no, me pen no matimi ato all the 16 regions in nyina wie. If we say, me de, binim say,
upon young comrade, young found cockot, young BBA.
I'm found coy, you know, to say yabes. Was it so ruddy? Senka woo shrami. No, I'm ma yaw bia, no, I'm a yaw na free me so. No, was shramia. And no yanko pon shrano. And see, yawa me for muni a day in ano. Mean disconnected from the grassroots. I'm still communicating. Sometimes you see me, even from the court, the Uber say, I'm clocking it. It's a signal. It's not for empty. You know, when I'm clocking, it's a signal to talk to the grassroots. And to the grassroots people, omu bianu hunu will be pa, now or clocking. So anytime somebody is clocking, he's connected. He's connected. What I say, it's connected, and they are part. Anybody who is clocking is part of the plan. Say, 2028, say, make Dr. Mahamadu as a president and MPP coming back to the power. No, he's part of it. And we are bringing new strategy, new way of communicating, and even sometimes calmness. You know, it's not empty.
Yes.
What I say, it has a voice. So, and to be me, maybe I am a kakra, na sama clocky kakra, na sama yedi. they know me, they understand me and understand their voice and understand their problems. And we are still connecting and communicating and collectively.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.